Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gearing up. Grab your Sea Glide for speed, the scanner to identify objects, and a beacon to mark locations. Once done, comb your PDA logs for any recorded coordinates or signal snippets that reference a time capsule, and then plot a short route on the map to nearby shallow zones. Move quickly, but deliberately so you reach the search area while conserving oxygen. Make sure to deploy a beacon as soon as you spot promising debris or markers. Now you perform a systematic sweep. Run grid patterns with the Sea Glide so you don't miss isolated wreckage. When you encounter unusual wrecks or floating pods, stop and use the scanner to identify them and collect fragments. The scanner reveals hidden names and interaction options. If one tags as a time capsule, place a beacon immediately so you can return later, and note depth and surrounding landmarks. This method saves time and prevents accidental loss of the capsule in complex terrain. Finally, approach the capsule cautiously and free it if snagged on rocks using the repair tool or a short propulsion cannon shove. Avoid damaging fragile contents. Once accessible, scan and open the capsule to claim items and any blueprints, and then immediately mark the location in your PDA for future reference. If interaction fails, try reloading your last save or swim back to your beacon and reset the area. This usually clears minor physics glitches and restores normal item interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.